Previously on
A little bit up.
Yeah.
No, you can to ride with 8 years as well?
Yes.
Okay. I am Andrew. I'm working like skiing and snowboard instructor in this ski school. It is the first step to learn a little bit how to fall because you have to protect your face
Yep.
and your body as well, your joints. Falling forward, I start with the knee and after like a boxer, I'm
right.
protecting behind.
Oh yeah.
I start with the hip, that means I try to sit, and after contracting these muscles, keeping my head in this position.
Okay, roll up.
It is better start with this one, okay, because you have to have your heel in the end of the binding here part. Okay, so start with this one, much better here because so I can move the board much better.
Okay.
You remember we need the ankle.
Yeah, so you fix in the front so you can control the board better in the end, I think.
So what do you think if you make a fall behind? You remember?
Yeah.
Like boxer. Yeah. Very good.
Good.
Excellent. Forward?
Forward?
Yeah, yeah.
Sure.
Just one time, just for. Very good.
Perfect.
Very good. Will pull you up when I tell you please take off. You will leave the ski lift and make a big step to the left. There is two possibilities. You can go up having the plastic arm on the hand. This is the first, okay? But after, when you are going short, you can put here or between the legs. This is the ski lift. You can have it on the hand. Please don't sit, just stand on the board. Okay, just stand and slide. Easy, right? We did it.
Nice.
So thank you for watching. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact my colleagues.